Today, as you can see, I did do the cap highlight again. It was just as difficult as last time. So I've been wanting to tone my hair like a kind of barely pink blush color. I've been searching for tutorials everywhere and couldn't find any, so let's just do this ourselves, right? Myself. This is just me. I've been wanting this for a while now. Here are a few of my inspiration photos. All the tutorials are just dyeing your hair pink, and I don't want it pink. I want it barely pink. So we're just gonna wing it. Today I'm gonna be using the Brite Organics hair color. This is the first time I've ever used this in pastel purple and pastel pink. Even though they say pastel, it looks pretty bright inside the tube, so I'll probably dilute it with conditioner and tone my hair that way. So yeah, just like last time, the cap highlight does leave your hair kind of streaky. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in some highlights to kind of even it out, and then I will tone it. This is my first time using this brand. I've used Arctic Fox, Arctic Fox, and Manic Panic, and those wash out pretty quickly on my hair. I'm hoping this will last longer than that. So I'm just gonna use a buttload of conditioner to dilute this and hopefully get like just a hint of pink purple in my hair. Let's try this. Nice. Okay, so that's about the color I'm looking for. Let's do it. All done. I think I'm just gonna leave this on for an hour? I don't know. I usually leave these on for like hours because they're vegan and there's no chemicals in it, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah, I'll be back in an hour. So this is the final result. I'm really happy with it. Okay, that's all that matters. This is pretty much what I wanted, just like a toned blush color to my blonde hair. Yeah, as you can see, it kind of took like a little bit better to some of the lighter pieces, but it really doesn't look that bad in person. I think if I were to do this again, I would probably tone it first and then put the pink on, because this color really brought out the yellow in my hair, which, you know, not the goal. Any of you guys know any toners where you can mix like a pink color in there or one that's already this color? Let me know, because I couldn't find anything. And you know, I'd like to do things better. Just in general, my life is a mess. Okay, I don't know how long this product lasts because it's my first time using it, but you know, I'll give it a few days or a week, however long it takes to wash out, and you know, update you. So this is the hair after like 5 or 6 washes. It's been like a week and a half. And yes, my bangs are bangs again because I was trying to grow them out, and then I was like, it might look more natural if I, you know, because that's how you grow out bangs, right? You cut them again. Anyways, I would say now this is pretty much the color I was aiming for originally. It's like barely pink. I might go ahead and like make some sort of pink shampoo. Conditioner, that's what I meant to say. Just to like maintain it for a while, since I finally got like the ideal color, and this will probably wash out in a couple of washes. But yeah, overall that worked a lot better than expected. Follow my Instagram that I just made. I might post some photos of this hair out in like the sunlight on there. I don't know. Yeah, that's the end of this video. Comment if you have tips, and subscribe, you know? It's free. It's easy. Just, you know. Bye. What?